Al-Qadir is not just powerful. Al-Qadir puts everything in the right time, in the right place, in the right proportion. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala tells Musa alayhi salam his own life story. From the start to the end. وَلَقَدْ مَنَنَّا عَلَيْكَ مَرَّةً أُخْرَى. Musa, we gave you so many blessings in the past. إِذْ تَمْشِي أُخْتُكَ فَتَقُولُ هَلْ أَدُلُّكُمْ عَلَى مَنْ يَكْفُلُهُ. Your sister was running next to you in the sea and saying to them, I know somebody who can look after this baby. فَرَدَدْنَاكَ إِلَىٰ أُمِّكَ كَيْ تَقَرَّ عَيْنُهَا وَلَا تَحْزَنْ. So see, although we threw you in the sea, we returned you to your mother eventually, so she can be happy. وَقَتَلْتَ نَفْسًا فَنَجَّيْنَاكَ مِنَ الْغَمِّ. You killed someone, remember? But we saved you from that. وَفَتَنَّاكَ فُتُونًا. We gave you so many tests. Then Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says to Musa alayhi salam, after all of the tests that you've been through, Allah says these two words to him. If one thinks about these words, the heart melts in appreciation of the mercy of Allah. Allah says, وَاصْطَنَعْتُكَ لِنَفْسِي. I made you to serve me. How amazing this mercy of Allah to Musa. After all the tests he has been through, to say to him, all of this was to develop you so you can serve me. وَاصْطَنَعْتُكَ لِنَفْسِي. And then Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says, after all of these events, ثُمَّ جِئْتَ عَلَى قَدَرٍ يَا مُوسَى. You came to me, Musa, at the right time. All of it was planned. All of it was Al-Qadir taking and acting out his qudra, his ability, his measurement, his precision. When he wanted, Musa was tested. When he wanted, Musa was in the sea. When he wanted, Musa was running away. And when he thought was the right time, Musa alayhi salam became a prophet. ثُمَّ جِئْتَ عَلَى قَدَرٍ يَا مُوسَى. Everything happened with qadar, with Allah's precision, with his measurement, with his decree.
Dear brothers and sisters, Assalamu alaikum. Trusting Allah's timing means believing that His plan is flawless and unfolds with perfect wisdom, even when we cannot see the full picture. It is recognizing that delays, challenges, and unexpected turns are all purposeful steps in a greater design meant for our growth and benefit. This trust nurtures inner peace, strengthens patience, and inspires gratitude in every circumstance.